What are you doing?
But Doc, you said we all should have our own health plan.
That's not what I meant. Stay tuned to know what it truly means to develop your own health plan. We currently think of a health plan as merely medical insurance policy. However, this is simply an agreement that we make with a financial institution to manage reserve funds for us to use in the event of an illness. It has very little to do with your health. An insurance plan should serve as a backup source of funds for urgencies or emergencies. A true health plan is a daily plan of action directed toward optimizing your health. It has 3 core components. Component number 1, nutrition. Nutrition is a key component to your health plan. You should start by removing all of the junk. Not a bite, not a drop, not a crumb. Your nutrition should consist of unprocessed plant-rich foods. Plant-derived hydration is also very important. Avoid excess refined sugars, dairy products, and animal protein. Component number 2, a movement plan. Movement is the basic element of exercise. Your exercise plan should have 3 basic elements: aerobic activities, stretching exercises, and resistance exercises. You should start where you are and progressively increase. You should always make steady improvements in your exercise activities. Component number 3, an escape plan. Escaping is not simply taking a vacation. Escaping consists of simply getting away from your routine environment. The basic elements of escaping are 1, getting outdoors, 2, walking in the woods, or 3, getting away from technology such as phones, television, and the like. In summary, your health plan should start with these basic components. You should start here and develop them over time. Thanks for watching. If you got value out of this video, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification button to see our next show.